just going round this corner, I can see a large vehicle there. I can see a lot of traffic, and there's a red light, so I'm slowing down. I have no space to move after this junction, or sorry, the actual crossing, because there's a lot of traffic ahead of me. So I can see the lights are green. I am going to move forward up to the curb, because the lights on the left hand side should be red. I am checking on the left. I can see the blue car is not moving, so it's good for me to go. Yeah, so my observations were very good there, making sure I'm aware of my surroundings. I'm keeping extra car's length away from the large vehicle, the coach, because I can't see. I'm just checking my mirrors, moving away from this car. And be careful for the children. Yeah, there's a green light, so it's going red, so I'm just going to slow down at this car. It says 4-way controlled wait here, so I can move a little forward, but the reason I stopped here was there could be a large vehicle coming from the opposite side of the road, so I've given them plenty of space and ample space to come through up the road. Because if you look at the green car, he's fine. The grey car is very close to the white line there, so if I went close, I would have been already over the white line, so to give them less space. So in this instance, this was the best position for me. So I'm about 2 car lengths away from the red light because of the vehicles, the 2 cars, the brown car and the grey car on the left hand side. I was making sure that I'm not causing an inconvenience to oncoming traffic or any road user. The lights are still red, so I'm just moving forward just a little bit. Again, watching out for pedestrians. I'm moving forward now because I can see the other side is red. I want to make sure that the sensors of the lights pick my car up. It is a 4-way control system, so that means there are 4 sets of traffic lights. And just remember, when it says wait here, you do not want to go past the wait here sign. So this car still should be able to get past, yes. And I'm checking my mirrors, middle right, and moving out by turning the wheel, and then just checking my mirrors, middle left, and moving back in. And I'm going to be following the road ahead.